Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is the purpose of privacy impact assessment PIA and A? Determine whether paper-based record are stored securely. B. Determine whether information must be disclosed according to the Freedom of Information Act FOIA. C. Determine whether the collection and maintenance of PIA is worth the risk of individual. D. Determine whether protected health information PHI is held by a covered entity, and the answer to the question is C. Determine whether the collection and maintenance of PIA is worth the risk to individuals. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.